Stop drowning in project requirements. Let's elevate your Jira into a powerhouse for crafting superior software requirements specifications. Get started by accessing your Jira project and clicking the Create button. This will become the foundation of your SRS. Create a new issue. Choose an issue type suited to your needs. Use Epic or make a custom SRS document type. Include a concise summary, such as Software Requirements Specification 4. The description field is where it's at. Here you'll detail functionalities, features, use cases, and more. Be specific. Use clear headings and explain the what, how, and why of each requirement. Use Jira's text editor for formatting. Use tables to organize requirement specifics or conditions for use. Leverage bullet points, numbered lists, and bolding. Incorporate images. Now, apply labels. Categorize requirements effectively. Label all features by specific modules or components for filtering. Start linking. Link requirements to tasks, user stories, and subtasks. This ensures traceability throughout development. Leverage JIRA's search and filter functions. Filter by labels, issue types, or custom criteria to generate insightful reports. This creates better collaboration, refined communication, and more successful projects by recording requirements in Jira with care. Now, go conquer those requirements.